Hi, this is Ben Tippin with the Affinity Trading Group. For those of you that have seen my other videos, you'll know who I am. I don't think I got a video out to you this week, so I videoed the whole of the morning session today. I didn't trade for very long, I only traded for just over 30 minutes. It's obviously triple witching day today. I chopped the video up a lot just to get you to see some of the positions. I focus more on getting you the fills, to see the fills getting out of positions rather than getting into them. Just think that's probably a little bit more interesting. I started off small again today, just 1,000 share positions. I was initially thinking it was going to go long, but when the market started falling, I quickly switched my idea and started looking for short positions. So you can see my first couple of positions here, my small ones are actually long positions. I started the day off with quite a 2 cent run from 403 up to 405. It was only with 1,000 shares, so that made me $20. So you can see me just getting filled now on this 1,000 shares on the offer at 405. In a minute I'm going to pan in so you can see the figures a little bit clearer. I know on the quality of these YouTube videos it's difficult to see. Okay, you just see me getting filled there. I've got 400 shares here, long from 403 still. Another 100's just gone on the offer, just waiting to get the last 300 off. Oh, there you go, just got 100 left now. Now at this point I was still looking for longs, because in a minute one of the trades goes against me and I failed to get out in time. Okay, I think I cut that section out. Okay, so what happened was then I punched in the momentum as it dropped at 403, so you can see my position. I'm going to pan in now so you can have a closer look at it. There we go. So you can see my position there now. I've shorted 10,000 shares at 403. Or that only left me with 9 because I was long 1,000. So I quickly flipped my idea to shorting this stock. I could see that it was going to break down. I'm offering out bidding 5,000 shares at 402. Now, if my memory serves me right, it more or less goes through the level before I get filled here, so I shouldn't have really used my specialist route. I should have used one of the routes that pays better rebates, like Arca. There you go, just pop for it there. I did actually think I tried to pull my order at the last minute, but my specialist route takes a while to cancel the orders, so that didn't happen. It still ended up filling me. I then offered out half again, well 2,000 shares at 401, and you can see me getting filled there. So I've got 3,000, another 100 just gone off. There's 3,600 shares short from 403. There we go. And now we're down at the whole number of 4, and I had the remaining amount being offered out at 4. I think I got the sums slightly mixed up there, so I was 100. My order was 100 shares too many, so now I'm long from 100, which I think I just punch out of in a second. I don't think I show it because it's hard to fit the full session into just 10 minutes, so there's some better action to show you. So this goes now, and then we'll go straight to later on in the session. I did start just having a go at BAC, Bank of America, whilst I was trading my Citigroup. I do have multiple level 2 screens up, so I can watch. I can load my level 2. My orders are entered through my level 2 hotkeys, so it wasn't hard for me to trade the 2 stocks. I've got multiple level 2 screens up. I've got 4 in total, 'plus charts and stuff, so I can see what's going on in other positions. You can see I'm short 1,000 shares of BAC, not as big size, it's a much dearer stock, $17 instead of $4. There you go, 500's just gone. And then I got a, being a bigger, more expensive stock, I was, you look for bigger moves in BAC. You're not just going for 1 or 2 cents. I shorted this from 17.02 and I get out at 16.96, I believe. In the positions window, you can see there on the right the bid and the ask for BAC. You can see it's 16.99 by 17. I'm obviously focusing the video on Citigroup, which was on my main level 2, just because I was using bigger size on it. I'm actually offering 5,000 shares at the whole number at 4 to go short, continue short, and it dropped down to 398. And now it's pulling back up to the whole number. Whole numbers provide natural areas of support and resistance, so once it broke through 4, when it retraces a small amount back to 4, that's basically making a continuation pattern off, in this case, resistance. So that's it's a good place to short. It did just pop through it for a very short while, which again I could have got in with one of the ECNs that pays a better rebate, like Arca, but I was using my specialist route, something I might have to focus on a little bit closer. And I cut some of the video out there, so you're not going to see it pop through the whole number, but it did do that. And now I'm getting out for the 1 cent move at 3.99. Now I was only bidding a fraction of the position, a fifth of the position. I had 3,000 shares ready to get out 3.98. When it got to 3.98, there wasn't a huge amount of interest, and it looked to me like it was it was going to bounce back up to 4, and I just decided to take the money and stop trading for the day. I mean, it is triple witching day. It's not a great day to be trading. So, and also this could easily be a double bottom when it gets down to 3.98. So that's what was going through my mind at this time. I mean, I've made this video immediately after the trading session, and the trading session I only traded for half an hour. I've pan out, I think, at the end, and you can see it. So it's all fresh in my mind what happened. Sometimes I do these videos much later and I can't quite remember exactly what's going through my mindset at the time. Okay, so you can see my order there, 3,000 shares at 3.98. That would have given me a 2 cent run on those 3,000, but you can see, look, the pressure at 3.99. There's not much interest on the bid, and that's why I jumped out of that trade. Okay, so there's my P&L, 253 for the day. But remember, that is only half an hour's trading. It's not, trading is a lot about knowing when to trade, knowing when not to, and that's, I'm not going to be greedy. That will do me for the day. I do have other stuff to do. I'm going to pan out in a second, and you can see the whole setup again, plus the clock. Now the states are out of line with us at the moment as far as what the usual throughout the year, the difference in our time. That the market opens 1:30 our time till the 28th of March, when it will go back to 2:30. If you're interested in this, you're very welcome to come and visit us in the online trading room. The website's there, and come and see what we do. Okay, thank you for watching.